Hello and welcome to SleepBetter. If you're having trouble sleeping, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide suffer from insomnia and sleep disturbances. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to share 15 proven strategies for dealing with insomnia and sleep disturbances. But before we begin, we have a special offer for you. Download our free sleep resource, filled with tips and tricks for getting a better night's sleep. You'll find the link in the video description below. Now let's get started. 1. Establish a consistent sleep routine. One of the most important strategies for dealing with insomnia and sleep disturbances is to establish a consistent sleep routine. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. By doing this, you can help regulate your body's internal clock and promote a more restful sleep. In addition, it's important to create a relaxing pre-sleep routine that helps you wind down and prepare for sleep. This might include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation. 2. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. Caffeine and alcohol are two of the biggest culprits when it comes to sleep disturbances. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake and alert, while alcohol can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycles and cause you to wake up frequently throughout the night. To avoid these effects, it's important to limit your caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. 3. Create a comfortable sleep environment. The environment in which you sleep can have a big impact on the quality of your sleep. To create a comfortable sleep environment, start by making sure your bed is comfortable and supportive. This might mean investing in a new mattress, pillows, or bedding. It's also important to keep your bedroom cool and dark, as this can help promote a more restful sleep. Finally, consider using white noise or earplugs to block out any distracting sounds. 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and visualization can be incredibly helpful for promoting sleep. By calming your mind and body, you can reduce stress and anxiety, which are two of the biggest culprits when it comes to sleep disturbances. Try incorporating these techniques into your pre-sleep routine to help you relax and prepare for sleep. 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can have a big impact on your sleep quality. Not only does it help reduce stress and anxiety, but it also tires out your body, making it easier to fall asleep at night. However, it's important to avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as this can actually have the opposite effect and keep you awake. 6. Use aromatherapy to relax. Aromatherapy is the use of essential oils to promote health and well-being. Many essential oils have relaxing properties that can help promote a more restful sleep. Lavender, chamomile, and ylang-ylang are just a few examples of essential oils that are commonly used for this purpose. Try incorporating them into your pre-sleep routine by adding a few drops to a diffuser or pillow. 7. Try a weighted blanket. Weighted blankets are a relatively new sleep aid that have gained a lot of popularity in recent years. These blankets are filled with small, weighted beads that apply gentle pressure to the body, creating a sensation similar to a hug. This pressure has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. 8. Use a sleep tracking app. Sleep tracking apps are a great way to monitor your sleep patterns and identify any areas that might be causing problems. These apps can track things like how long you sleep, how many times you wake up during the night, and how much time you spend in each stage of sleep. By using this information to identify patterns and make changes to your sleep routine, you can improve the quality of your sleep over time. 9. Listen to calming music or white noise. Calming music and white noise can be incredibly helpful for promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. By blocking out distracting sounds and creating a peaceful environment, these sounds can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep throughout the night. Try incorporating them into your pre-sleep routine by listening to a calming playlist or a white noise machine. 10. Avoid eating heavy meals before bedtime. Eating heavy meals before bedtime can interfere with your sleep quality by causing indigestion and discomfort. Instead, try to eat lighter meals earlier in the evening and avoid eating within a few hours of bedtime. If you do need a snack before bed, choose something light and easy to digest, like a piece of fruit or a small bowl of cereal. 11. Take a warm bath or shower. Taking a warm bath or shower before bedtime can help relax your muscles and promote a more restful sleep. The warm water can also help lower your body temperature, which is important for promoting sleep. Try incorporating this into your pre-sleep routine to help you unwind and prepare for sleep. 12. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a technique that involves focusing your attention on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. By practicing mindfulness meditation before bed, you can help calm your mind and reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. 13. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices like smartphones and tablets can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycles by suppressing the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. To avoid this effect, it's important to limit your screen time in the hours leading up to bedtime. Try reading a book or practicing relaxation techniques instead. 14. Consider cognitive behavioral therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a type of talk therapy that can be incredibly helpful for people struggling with sleep disturbances. CBT for insomnia focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns and behaviors that may be contributing to sleep problems. If you're struggling with insomnia or other sleep disturbances, consider talking to a healthcare professional about whether CBT might be right for you. 15. Consult with a healthcare professional. If you've tried these strategies and are still struggling with insomnia or other sleep disturbances, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help identify any underlying health issues that may be contributing to your sleep problems and recommend appropriate treatment options. Remember, not all strategies work for everyone, so try a few and see what works best for you. And don't forget to download our free sleep resource for more tips.